Okay, so later tonight I will be surprising Jenna with the wedding gift of her dreams. First off, I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys for being a part of my big day. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. With that being said, I'm going to tell you guys what the big surprise is. She's not going to know. She's not going to know. You guys know until she sees this video later on. So, are you guys ready to know it?
Yeah!
All right. Y'all are going to have to stay tuned till later. First off, on behalf of both Jenna and I, we'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming out and celebrating our big day. Now, I'm a little bit nervous up here right now because I'm about to give Jenna a big surprise, but she doesn't know that. So if you could come out in front here, please. Thank you. Would each and every one of you guys agree with me that she is the most beautiful bride you guys have ever seen? I've heard a few rumbles and a few jokes about it along the way, but Jenna, I decided to give you a wedding gift that was completely for you. No, it's not hunting or fishing related. It's everything that you want. Would you agree with me that the last few hours have been the best hours of your life as a family of two? Well, I'm proud to announce that we have now become a family of three.